me loud.
What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and today I'm back with another at-home photo shoot ideas video that you can do at home. I just said that. You guys really loved the first one that I did a couple weeks ago, so I decided to do another one since I'm always on the hunt for some good old narcissism on Instagram. I'm just kidding, but I'm not really. I don't know if I am. I am also gonna be posting these on Instagram, so make sure to follow me at JENerationDIY. And if you do recreate any of these photos, make sure to tag me on Instagram because I've been loving seeing, reposting, liking all of your recreations from the last photo shoot ideas video. Also, stream talking loud. I'm like joking, but I'm not really joking. If you don't know, I have a song called Talking Loud. It's out on Spotify and like I have a music video for it, so check it out. I think it's a good song and it's kind of like representative of what's going on in the world right now, so maybe you would like to listen to it. Just an idea. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for the first idea, I wanted to do a fridge shoot, like in the kitchen. I don't really know how to describe it further, that's basically it. Hello and welcome to the kitchen, the only place where a woman belongs. I'm just kidding, that was a joke. It was a joke. It was a joke. So for the first shoot idea, I wanted to do a refrigerator type shoot, just like with the door open. We are gonna waste a little bit of electricity, so I'm gonna try to move as fast as possible. And I just have my cereal handy. I have eaten like half of the box in the half an hour that I've opened it. So I just remember that I actually have to take these photos, so I'm trying to refrain. Let's do it. Here's the current setup. It's not pretty behind the scenes, but hopefully we'll get some good pictures out of this. So I have my phone connected to my camera using the Canon Connect app. If you have a Canon camera, this is a great tool. So if I just press it, oh, it's on timer. Oh, that was a really great picture. Here is my camera. I just have it tilted vertically on my tripod. Okay, just gonna do some test shots first. Oh, I need to turn that timer off. This looks not good. It's like on a weird angle. Well, okay, so after tinkering around with my camera for about like an hour, I realized, actually let me backtrack. Basically for this photo shoot, I really want to do flash photos, and I realized that my camera did not have built-in flash. Luckily, I do have another camera that has flash, so I'm reverting back to that one. These are some test images that I did. Also, I have turned off the fridge, but let's finally shoot some photos. God, okay. For the first few photos, I'm gonna just like pour the cereal into the bowl, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna have some photos where it's like really messy and the cereal is on the floor, which is gonna be killing me because I really want to eat the marshmallows, but it is a sacrifice for the narcissism of Instagram.
Talk to the ceiling and never felt this high. Never felt this high.
I have been shooting for longer than I thought. It is now 3 a.m. But I'm really excited about the photos. I feel like they were getting progressively better, but here are the photos.
Me and you take a risk and never do. You make me feel like I'm flying with no parachute.
Hello and welcome to my bedroom. So for the second shoot idea, clearly I have bare skin on my face, no makeup on, because I want to do like a self-care type of shoot, relaxation mode. I'll be using some props like reading a book, maybe have my laptop out. I want to put a mask on, and today I'm going to be using the Glacial Oceanic Clay Mask from Blue. Speaking of, thank you to Blue for sponsoring this video. So Blue is a Canadian skincare company. The Glacial Oceanic Clay that's in their products is actually sourced from the northern shores of BC, which I'm from BC. I live in BC, so I think it's really cool that it's like locally sourced. Blue is also paraben free and cruelty free, which is really cool. I am obsessed with this mask. I've used it so many times over the past couple of weeks, and the packaging is so pretty. I think I'm gonna actually use this packaging for a couple of photos in the future and like shine it through sunlight because it casts these really cool light streaks. So I think it's actually a really good prop for a home photo shoot. I've been using this mask in combination with the blue glacial mineral toner as well as the hydrating glacial moisturizing cream. All three of these together are a full skincare routine. I'm going to show you guys how I use these in a bit because it is nighttime and I'm going to be doing my nighttime skin routine. So it'll just be like a relaxing shoot, taking some pictures in my mask, doing my skincare routine, going to sleep. Let's get started. All right, I got my glacial oceanic clay mask here and the spatula that it comes with. Oh, so pretty. This is what the mask looks like. All right. It feels so good. It's super soothing because it has anti-inflammatory properties. The texture is also super smooth. Oh, I'm gonna be careful and like try not to get it in my eyebrows and stuff because I want it to look kind of clean for the photos. But the texture is so smooth and super fine. And it's a texture that's very unique to the glacial oceanic clay. The clay kind of just pulls out all the toxins and draws out impurities from the skin. It's also really hydrating. It pulls moisture from deep in the tissues. And we all know I need that hydration because I really need to drink more water. I'm gonna be holding a cup of water for the shoot so it looks like I actually drink water. I mean, it's really not that hard to drink water. I just don't know why I don't do it. It's 2020. Like, girl, like, why are you not drinking water? I don't know how I'm not shriveled up like a raisin. I match my plant. The glacial oceanic clay also has more than 60 minerals and rare elements in it. Hello, I have my mask on. I am one with the tree. I'm gonna start taking my pictures now. I have my camera set up right here, and this is the backdrop that we're working with. I'm kind of using the book as a prop to hide my phone.
You leaned in closer, I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer, I pulled away from it.
Alright, I have just finished taking the photos. I think they turned out really cute, but before I show you guys the photos, I'm gonna wash my mask off real quick. Okay, I've just washed the mask off and my skin feels so smooth. It just feels so hydrated. Alright, now I'm gonna move on to the toner and cream. So the toner is called the Hydrate Glacial Mineral Toner. Just put it on the cotton pad. Both the toner and the cream have glacial mineral water extracted from glacial oceanic clay. That provides like a super deep hydration and has cooling and soothing effects on my skin. There's a truck. Excuse you. I'm talking about glacial mineral water here. It's also rich in 60 skin nourishing minerals and rare elements. It definitely gives my skin like a bouncy feel, super moisturized, and I just like feel clean after. All right, now I'm gonna apply the cream, scoop some of it out. Because of the glacial mineral water in this, it improves natural elasticity in your skin and controls the oil production. And any extra I like to put on my neck too. I would highly recommend these products from Blue. If you would like to check them out, click the link in the description box below to purchase some Blue products to try out for yourself. And you can also use the code JENerationDIY10 at checkout for 10% off of your purchase. I've just finished applying the cream and you already know this cream is so moisturizing. I just feel like the hydration is super locked in. It's just super smooth and bouncy and I just love it. Anyway, I'm gonna go sit down and edit the photos from the self-care shoot and let me just insert them here.
I still remember. Think I know you.
For the third shoot idea, I have been seeing these pictures everywhere on Instagram and Pinterest. Basically, I wanted to recreate a projector shoot. So the idea is you just take a projector, flash some images on the wall, you stand in front of the projector, and it just looks cool. Hello guys, I have the light blocked out because this is going to be a projector shoot. My mom happened to get one of those free cheap projectors from, I don't know where she got it from actually, but I'm gonna take advantage of it. So I have it set up right here, have this like pretty sky background going. I flipped the projector vertically because I'm taking vertical photos. It should be a fun time. Let's do it. Hello. Okay, so here's the setup. This is Adriana. We're gonna start out with this background. So because my projector honestly was pretty cheap and not very good quality, I had to choose images that were pretty high contrast, pretty bright and saturated, because otherwise it just would not show up very well in the photos. Also, since I was taking vertical photos, I flipped my projector vertically, also flipped the pictures vertically so that they would fit. I would just recommend downloading a bunch of photos and just seeing what works and what doesn't. But I just love the shoot idea because I feel like you can change a background and change an outfit and it's just a completely different look. So we took some photos. I perspirated a little bit. I haven't edited the photos yet, but they are like, I mean, some are like questionable, but I'm gonna edit the photos and I'm gonna insert them here. Okay, so for the fourth shoot idea, it's kind of like an alternative if you don't have a projector. How do you describe this? Like a flashlight shoot, but with like shadows and like you like shine a light through an object and it casts like shadows, and I guess English is not available today. Basically, I am taking a sheet of paper and I am drawing out a bunch of stars on the paper, and then I'm taking my X-Acto knife and cutting all of those stars out. Basically, I'm gonna use this piece of paper in conjunction with my phone flashlight to cast some star projections onto my face and wall. Hello guys, welcome to the fourth shoot. So, as you can see, I curled my hair. It's the first time I've curled my hair in like over a year. I'm really taking advantage of the long hair before I chop it all off again with my stupid scissors, so stay tuned for a video of that. Here's my piece of paper with all the stars on it. I'm doing that beauty guru thing, but it's not really working out. Anyway, let's take some photos. Oh my god, I'm sweating. I have my camera set up here. I'm gonna do some self-timer photos, and Adriana's gonna hold the stars and the flashlight because you can't like do both at the same time. So you either gotta have two people or a tripod. I decided to do it on the yellow door because it matches the star vibe, and I'm also, oh wait, I'm wearing yellow. Is that a good idea? Might not be. I mean,
no, it looks a little corny.
Okay,
it looks a little corny.
Okay. I'm gonna go change. I'll be right back because I don't want to be camouflage. Okay, I've changed into something that's less camouflage. Okay, cool. I have myself on. Am I in focus?
You're so blurry.
It's like me having bad eyesight looking at a blurry camera. I'm like, which one's not it? Anyway, here I am on my phone. I'm just gonna click away. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that looks cool. I feel like I'm at like prom or something. Ooh, yeah. Hey guys, after some perseverance and perspiration, here are the photos. I think they turned out really cute. Yeah, this one was super easy and looks like a kid's bedroom, but like it's kind of a vibe. It's like a knockoff version of like that projector starry thing that everyone has in their TikTok rooms. Yeah, I'd say it was a success. Alright guys, those are all of the photo shoot ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed them and hope you guys will recreate some because I would love to see your guys' recreations. Make sure to tag me on Instagram at JENerationDIY. That is pretty much it. Shout out of the week is right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!